All right, happy homeowners. Look at that, less than 20 minutes later, got the big machine out here. Remember all that old glue? So we'll sand this thing several times, probably about 8 or 9 times by the time it's over with. We take it off paper layer by paper layer. You don't want to remove more wood than you have to, but you got to get out all the imperfections. What I want to show you was, people always say, Brian, why is replacing those heater holes, man, why is that so much money? So here's where the old heater used to be, and they repaired the drywall years ago. But what we have to do is, we have to come in here, we're going to have to reframe it, and then we have to take out the old wood, and we basket weave it in. We stagger it. Got your old boards here, some of them will cut, but we lace it in so that you can't tell there was ever a heater floor there. That's why we use the old wood instead of the new wood, because as soon as you walk in the front door, you don't want to see the new wood. All right, guys. He's in here cutting. Let's check it out. Put your headphones on.